how to convert HTML to PDF in Microsoft Edge. So let's get started. I got an HTML file here and I'm gonna open it in Microsoft Edge. It's basically Wikipedia about Microsoft Edge browser, and this is HTML file. I'm gonna show you how to do it if we jump to content. So we actually open the Microsoft Edge Wikipedia page, and here you can download it. If you click on Save As, you can download it as HTML file, but we need to convert it to PDF. So what you can do here is right click somewhere on this empty space and just simply click on print instead of save. And here we can just switch off this fax option to save as PDF. And what's gonna happen is that we're gonna save this HTML file or this website as a PDF like this. And now we got it on desktop. And if we open it, we're gonna open it as a PDF. And that's it. This is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. We might not see each other again, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and have a nice day. Bye bye.